Yo, good morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting a look at the J class at the Victorian Goldfields Railway. So we're here in Castlemaine. We are chasing the J on the first train of the day, riding on the second train. There it is, it's on the way now. And we're getting a cab ride on that second ride. So it's going to be a very cool video today. So let's get into it. Roll the intro. Alright guys, we got my cab pass. We're about to wait for the J to pull around and we're going to get on the cab and go for a little ride. This will be my second ever cab ride. Thanks to Aiden and Ryan for my first ever one at the Newport workshops. Appreciate it, boys. But yeah, I'm super excited for this one. So let's get to it. We get to be in the cab from Castlemaine to Muckleford, which is about the halfway point in our journey. A cab pass is an extra $50 on top of your existing train ticket. You can purchase your cab ride ticket as you buy your original ticket if there is a free slot on that available day. If not, you can just go to the website and check out other days that you can buy it. But let's get to it. We now arrive at Maldon. This was an absolutely fantastic ride. It was great to be in the cab of a locomotive, trundling down one of our old historic Victorian branch lines. And again, this was my first time seeing a J in steam and, you know, getting to ride behind it as well as in the cab. It was just an awesome day out. All the guys in the VGR have done an awesome job getting this J back up and running for this year, and it just looks fantastic. That fresh repaint looks so good. Really cool to finally see this in person and not just a Model 1. Well, after watching the J have a bit of fun running around the yard and shunting the train, it's time to get back on and head back to Castlemaine. But we are now in first class. I actually upgraded my ticket, and now we get to enjoy the luxury of first class, have a wine, have a bit of a drink, some snacks, and enjoy a bit more of a luxurious ride back home. Your first class ticket will give you access to 2 carriages on the train. One with seating compartments which you can still enjoy opening up the window and taking it all in, and you've also got the other carriage which is more of a observation car which has your bar and you can sit down, enjoy the open space and watch the J haul the train. It was awesome. I got to upgrade my ticket, and what a diverse trip this was. A cab ride, first class and economy. Pretty cool. It's actually just me in this whole first class carriage. So this is my train now. And a massive shout out and a big thank you to everybody who volunteered to the VGR. It was great to talk to all of you, and everybody in the cab was absolutely fantastic. Thanks for taking me along for the ride. Alright guys, thanks for joining me for another video, and what a day it was here at the Victorian Goldfields Railway. We're making our way back to Castlemaine at the moment. Just want to say a massive thank you to all the volunteers and everybody who contributes to this beautiful railway. What a great service you guys have got here. Well, if you liked the video, give us a like, leave a comment below, and check out my social media. I'll leave all the links to them in the description below. We will see you in the next video, guys. Take care and peace.